Alright, so this is for polynomial division, which is on exercise 6b. Division, exercise 6b. I'm just going to quickly go through our question 1 and question 3 just so that we can get a nice understanding of how to do these kinds of questions. So, question 1, let's do, for example, question 1b. So I've got 2x cubed plus x squared minus 4x plus 3, and I have to divide it by x plus 1. So those are my two polynomials there. Okay, so if I'm trying to do this kind of question, I need to write up my skate ramp. So we do one of these things, right? So I write that, and then I go, well, I write this one over here because that's what I'm dividing, right? So it's 2x cubed plus x squared minus 4x plus 3. And I'm dividing it by that. That's my divisor. That's my dividend. Alright, so my divisor goes over here, x plus 1. So it's just like our normal long division with arithmetic numbers. So I think to myself, what do I have to multiply x by to get to 2x cubed, sorry. So I can, another way of going about that, I could say, well, what's 2x cubed divided by x? That will just give me 2x squared. So 2x squared. So I actually need to multiply this by 2x squared. So 2x squared here. So x times 2x squared, that gives me 2x cubed. Now I go, well, what's 1 times 2x squared? Well, that's plus 2x squared, and I take it away. So then I say 2x cubed minus 2x cubed is 0, so I don't have to write anything there, I can just write 0. Now x squared minus 2x squared gives me negative x squared, and then that's good. Let's keep going. I bring down the negative 4x, right? So I write minus 4x. Now I think to myself, what do I have to multiply x by to get to negative x squared? Or otherwise I can write, what's negative x squared divided by x, which is just negative x. So I write minus x here. What's x times minus x? Well, that's negative x squared. What's 1 times negative x? That's a negative x, so right there. Once again, I write the negative there, imply negative. Negative x squared minus negative x squared gives me 0, so I don't have to write anything there. And then negative 4x minus minus x gives me negative 3x. I bring down the 3 plus 3. I do it again. So I say, well, what do I have to multiply x by to get to negative 3x? Or in other words, what's negative 3x divided by x? That's negative 3 minus 3 here. So negative 3 times x gives me negative 3x. Positive 1 times by negative 3 gives me negative 3. Once again, I take them away. Negative 3x minus negative 3x gives me 0. 3 minus minus 3 gives me 0. So that means I know my... I mean 3... So 3 minus minus, right? So 3 minus minus 3 gives me 6. And because we know 3 minus minus 3 is 6, I get a remainder of 6. So that's my remainder. So I know that when I divide it, I get 2x cubed. So this is my original question, my dividend. X squared minus 4x plus 3 is equal to my divisor, x plus 1, times by 2x squared minus x minus 3. But also I have a remainder of 6, right? So I say plus 6. So that's how we do that. Or if I wanted to rewrite that, I could divide everything by the divisor. So if I said 2x cubed plus x squared minus 4x plus 3 divided by x plus 1. So that's the original question up here, right? So that's the one in the blue. Now if I do that, I just divide x plus 1 on both sides. So I go 2x squared minus x minus 3. So that's all times by, plus 6 divided by x plus 1. So this is my dividend. This one is my divisor, my quotient, and my remainder. I'll just quickly go through question 3a. So same thing, I say, well, the question is to get 2x cubed plus 6x squared minus 14x minus 24 and divide that by x plus 4. Yep, and I need to show that the linear expression is a factor of the polynomial, so I should end up with no remainder, okay? So I'm going to go ahead and rewrite that and then do the escape ramp thing. So I go 2x cubed plus 6x squared minus 14x minus 24. Divide that all by x plus 4. What do I multiply x by to get to 2x cubed? Well, I need to multiply by 2x squared. So 2x cubed here. And then 4 times 2x squared is positive 8x squared. I take that away. Once again, it's implied negative. So I say 6x squared minus 8x squared gives me negative 2x squared. I bring the negative 14 down, so I write negative 14x there. I need to think, what do I multiply x by to get to negative 2x squared? I say, well, that's a over here, negative 2x. So I write negative 2x squared here. And I think, what's 4 times negative 2x? What's a negative 8x? Once again, it's a negative. So I say negative 14x minus 8x. It gives me negative 6x. I bring down the negative 24. What do I multiply x by to get to negative 6x? Minus 6. So negative 6x here. Positive 4 times negative 6 gives me negative 24. I get a remainder of 0 because implied negative 24 minus 24 gives me 0. So I now know that 2x cubed plus 6x squared minus 14 x minus 24 divided by x plus 4 gives me 2x squared minus 2x minus 6.